Head, neck, and throat cancers are on the rise in the U.S., but new treatments are saving the lives and providing better outcomes.
In your Health Watch this morning, Fox 12's Marilyn Deutsch introduces us to a local winemaker who faced the prospect of losing his sense of taste.
Over many years, Willamette Valley vintner Brad McElroy cultivated his sense of smell and taste, which is important because he is the winemaker here at Ayers Vineyard and Winery. Brad shows us his below-ground cellar of barrels.
This is where the wine, from start to finish, takes place.
But a few years ago, while shaving, Brad discovered something odd.
I had a bump on the side of my neck.
He had a sore throat that would not go away. Those are two of the most common signs of head, neck, mouth, and throat cancer. Other signs include red or white lesions in your mouth that don't go away in a couple weeks, hoarseness, or any kind of throat pain, really.
Well, when you're given that diagnosis, you're like, oh my gosh, what's going to go on?
Brad worried about his family, and he also worried about his livelihood.
I'm a winemaker is my profession, so with the diagnosis of head and neck cancer, I was thinking that, you know, if this went wrong, I might not be able to make wine anymore.
Brad underwent 2 surgeries, chemo, and radiation. Providence head and neck surgeon Dr. Brian Bell managed Brad's care, making sure his tongue was never exposed to radiation.
It's radiation to a very focused area and to a lower dose in a way that will allow him to preserve taste and speech and swallowing, which is especially critical to somebody like Brad.
Brad says he had to retrain his sense of taste, and it took him about 6 months to get it back. He remembers the exact moment he knew everything was going to be okay.
I was at a baseball game with my sons, and of course there's always hot dogs. I was not a big hot dog fan, but I decided that I wanted to have a hot dog, and it was like, oh my gosh, I can taste! That hot dog had so much flavor. I'm a big fan now.
More important, he still knows a fine wine when he tastes it.
The 2021s are beautiful wines.
Marilyn Deutsch, Good Day, Oregon.
Now, for more information on how to spot and treat head, neck, and throat cancer, go to kptv.com and click on the Providence link.